Hello, David here with MarineMax and Lake Hopatong. Today behind me is a 2027 Harris Solstice 250. You can see we have the red color with the black, matte black highlight, accent color. We have a power ion tower above my head. Of course, dual captain chairs with the chestnut interior. I'm going to show you that when we get up inside. As we walk back, we have a single lounger with the rail system. This boat's powered with a Mercury 350 horsepower. Absolutely gorgeous boat. Let's get up on deck and check out the rest. Okay, we moved up on this beautiful boat. As I mentioned, the single lounger. The Solstice and the Grand Mariner have this available backrest to face forward. Just yesterday I was on the boat with my family. We had the music up nice and loud. My daughter was back here as we were running underway. And she reached over and was able to change the song and the volume that I had playing on my phone. She didn't particularly care for that one. You have charge ports and stereo controls here, also available down on the water. With ease, I can get up, lower the backrest, we get to the cove, simply put this on a 45 and now we're lounging aft. Once again, we can put it all the way forward. Everybody's facing forward. We want to go fast, especially with 350 horsepower. There's storage underneath this entire back seat with a cooler in the back left corner. I mentioned dual captain's chairs. These are the identical chairs, so super comfy for his and her. Of course, the captain chair is on a raised helm with a big Simrad screen, touch digital throttle, digital shift, and chestnut interior. We also have in-floor storage underneath in the center and lots of speakers and sound system throughout the boat. This boat is available at MarineMax and Lake Hopatong. Come on down, we'll check out the rest.